Which are the horsies?
See.
You? Okay, hold on. Wait there.
Collywobs.
Wait.
Yeah, let's take a picture of the pig. It's me.
With you?
Yeah. Piggy. Let's eat a whale.
All right.
So stinky.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the best bed. Oh, no. We got animals out the hill.
She wants out?
Get out of
Yeah. Yeah, down. Yeah, let's see the other animal.
Yeah, we can
Oh,
do
the
this.
roosters, the duckies. I see chickens. We're taking a picture of the chickens.
All right, let's go look.
Okay.
Oh, this is the butterfly garden.
Yeah, bears?
Yeah.
I hope not. What are you going to do if you see a bear? You going to make friends? I don't think that's a good idea.
Are you going to the lookout or the forest?
Up? Okay, let's go that way.
Okay, so those trails, like, that's where...
Yeah, that's the playground.
There's a playground. Don't forget, there's kids. Hey,
Okay, then you got to go that way. See, it's right through there.
which way on the map?
I know it's you.
You know it's me?
Yeah, I mean you're famous Shrek.
Ruff, ruff.
You are famous Shrek.
I am playing tricks.